Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add text behind images in Canva. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just go on the left side and add a text box. So, I'm just going to write some text over here. Okay. Now, increase the size of the text. Make it bold. You can change the font type according to the way you want. Now just click on the text. Okay, I'm going to change its color. Now just click on the text and go on FX. In order to make the text stand out, select shadow. Just increase its transparency at 60, blur at 50, and direction at 0. Okay, here we go. Now click on the background image, duplicate it. Now remove the background. Now as you can see, okay, wait a minute. That's how you can add text behind images in Canva. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.